Alright guys, if you want to ride the famous old school TAKSIM train, you can use your Istanbul card or you can use a credit card, and it's 20 lira per person. This is one of the newest places in Istanbul, and in my opinion this is one of the most luxury places in Istanbul. This place is free to get in, there's no charge for this. When it comes to cheapest Sadbey restaurant to eat in the world, believe it or not, the cheapest one is right here in Istanbul, located right behind me. So good. Oh, yeah, it's spicy. Whew. So what am I going to show you? You're going to see the top places to eat in Istiklal Street, famous desserts and baklavas and coffee places. Hi guys, welcome back to the travel vlog. Today I'm really excited because I'm going to show you something I have not seen anybody do on YouTube. Today I'm going to show you how you can start out at Taksim Square, walk to Istiklal Street, go to Galata Tower and come to Galata Port, all by walking in just literally 25 minutes. That's it. So what am I going to show you? You're going to see the top places to eat in Istiklal Street, famous desserts and baklavas and coffee places. So with that said, my name is Ahmet and let's get started.